You want to make sure that your strawberry is 100% dry. Do not have any water on it. That's why I always use a kitchen towel to dry my strawberry no matter what. I don't care how dry I feel they are. And then as you're coming out of the chocolate, you're gonna want to shake the chocolate so that the air pockets do release from the strawberry, and that gives you that really smooth texture. So when using these styrofoams like I have, you're gonna wanna balance it off on the other side with another strawberry. Now the rim is to where the red of the strawberry meets the yellow part of the stem. I'm gonna go ahead and shake the rest of it off. I will start to lift up the strawberry from that toothpick to get that smooth layer of chocolate. That way it doesn't show. Look at that, that's beautiful. Little to no air pockets, that's how you get that perfect dip. It's that shake coming out of the chocolate that really helps get those air pockets off.